Hello everyone and welcome to Boursin in the Family Kitchen. We're making mashed potatoes. So first I recommend cutting off the area with the eyes. So that's right there for right here. Then about half an inch thick. I'm cutting them so small because we're going to be mashing them, and if they're all in like smaller pieces, it's easier to cook them. So now I'm just gonna take all the potatoes we've cut, so a few more. Add some salt. So this one. There. So, for the potatoes, make sure you boil them till they're tender. So, now that the potatoes are soft, here. But here's how I know if they crumble when you touch them, that means they're good. So I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna drain it, but here's the thing. For all the kids, and probably like a sixth of my school, you might want to get a parent for help because you don't want to get yourself burned. And also it's really heavy. Mom, good job. So now we're going to pour it in. As I love potatoes. So when you mash the potatoes after transferring them into a pot, no mixing, just mash. Also add a big chunk of butter, a third cup of milk, Boursin cheese, pepper, so depending on the amount of potatoes you use, you might need more buttermilk or cheese. It's looking creamy. Might as well taste them. Smart enough. That is good. That is perfect. So, before you actually get off your technology for today, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, please. And thank you for watching. Goodbye. That was nothing.